Hello everyone, welcome to another video and another idea. For this video I will tell you more advice how to make money on YouTube without making mistakes. A lot of beginner in YouTube make a lot of mistakes. In this video I will show you these mistakes and don't make these mistakes. First mistake, look at this. Here I will show you how you can make money in YouTube. Look, it's RPM, it's $400. Look, 1000 views, it's $900. First mistakes makes a lot of YouTubers, a lot of beginner YouTube. It's delete, make a general channel, news, cooking, a lot of niche. After that he delete video. Deleting video, it's bad for your channel. It's broken your channel. The second mistake make beginner in YouTube, it's don't upload video if you're it's not for you. If you notice, you don't upload it in your channel because you have copyright in and you don't have monetization in your channel. Don't the 30 mistake, don't mix in your channel shorts video and long video, because if you have a lot of shorts in your channel, your algorithm of YouTube choose the algorithm of shorts. And if you have a lot of long video in your channel, algorithm of YouTube be a long video algorithm. I wish you understand what I mean in this step, and be hard worker in your channel. In beginner, just make original video in your channel and uploading day after day, because your channel is like a child and it's a small channel. Be hard worker and upload a lot of video. Don't take care about quality, but quantity. First, beginner, if you are a beginner, make quantity, don't make quality after your channel it's big and you have followers and subscribers, fidel subscribers, then take care about quality. And don't make your channel general. Micro niche, I advise you to make your channel a micro niche channel YouTube. And like this channel, it's about business, online business and updates of YouTube and any online idea to make money online. Like this, make your channel. Don't make your channel news, cooking, sport, all this niche, because your follower will be not interested in your content, because your content it's not in one niche. It's sport, cooking, like this. Your subscribe not interested, your subscribe won't. If you make subscribe in cooking recipe, he wants a lot of video about this niche. If you make for you subscribe for sport, he interested in sport. And this is big mistake. You make a lot of beginner in earning money in YouTube and make cash cow channel. YouTube, it's best platform to make money. It's easy way to make money online. but you must be serious and be creative in your content, and be seriously in this work, because it's YouTube. It's not for fun, but it's like a job in any society. Thank you for watching, and I leave you with this nature video, and don't forget to make subscribe and share with your friends, and thank you to another video soon.